So, good day everyone. Today we will be tackling about the anti-differentiation by substitution and by table of integrals. So, anti-differentiation is a more challenging than differentiation itself. To find the derivative of a given function, there are well-established rules that are always applicable to differentiable functions. So, some formulas are easily derived, but most of them needs to be memorized. No hard and fast rules can be given as to which method applies in a given situation. This lesson focuses uh, on the most basic technique, anti-differentiation by substitution, which is the inverse of the chain rule in differentiation. There are occasions when it is possible to perform a difficult piece of integration by first making a substitution. The ability to carry out integration by substitution is a skill that develops with practice and experience, but sometimes a sensible substitution may not lead to an integral that can be evaluated, and we must then be prepared to try out alternative substitution. So to start, we will have our first example, evaluate the integral of x plus 4 raised to 5 dx. So notice that the integrand is in the fifth power of the expression x plus 4. So to solve this problem, we make a substitution. We let u equals to x plus 4. The point of doing this is to change the integrand into a much simpler u raised to 5. But we must take care of substitution appropriately for the term dx2. Now, since u is equals to x plus 4, it follows that du and dx equals 1, so du is equals to dx. So substituting x plus 4 and dx, you have the integral of x plus 4 raised to 5 dx equals to dx equals to integral of u raised to 5 du. The resulting integral can be evaluated immediately to give up u raised to 6 u raised to 6 over 6 times c. Recalling that u is equals to x plus 4, we have the integral of x plus 4 raised to 5 dx equals integral of u raised to 5 du is equals to u raised to 6 over 6 plus c, and uh, then the final answer will be um, to call uh, x plus 4 raised to 6 over 6 plus c. Now for our second and last example for this uh, lesson, we have evaluate the integral of x raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 9, 5x raised to 4 dx. So if we let u equals to x raised to 5 plus 2, then du is equals to 5 raised to 4 dx, which is precisely the other factor in the integrand. Thus, in terms of variable u, this is essentially just a power rule integration. That is integral of x raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 9 times 5 raised to 4 dx equals to integral of u raised to 9 du, where u is equals to x raised to 5 plus 2, and then equals to u raised to 10 over 10 plus c, and equals to x raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 10 over 10 plus c. So as simple as that. Now, I will provide the summary of table of integrals for you to further, for you to able to solve and provide the anti-derivative.